Hi, my name is Chris Wong. I'm going to be showing you how to use a noise gate on a snare drum track for Lesson 4 in the Introduction to Music Production class on Coursera. So if we look right here, I've added a gate to the snare drum track, just the stock Ableton gate. And so right now the threshold's at -40 dB, so it should sound just like it is without any sort of gate on it. And so you can hear the snare drum is getting a lot of bleed from the hi-hat and part of the bass drum and some of the crash cymbal. So we want to get rid of that so that only the snare drum is coming through. So do that by raising the threshold so that only the snare drum hits are coming through. And you can hear that it's cutting off too much of the snare drum, so what we're going to do is increase the hold and the release. And since it's also a snare drum, we're going to make the attack as short as possible since we want the early transients. So let me play it. So it sounds pretty good. If you do too much though, you'll start getting the hi-hat in it. And that means that the hold is too long, so bring this back a little bit. Right there. And so the difference between the hold and release is that once the gate is open, it'll hold for this many milliseconds, and then the release time is how long it takes for it to shut off. So it's almost kind of like a fader. So if you have this really long, you can hear how it slowly fades away. And if we put it to just 0.1, it'll just cut off immediately. So it's kind of like a fine tuning of the hold. So probably right there. So now here's what it sounds like without the noise gate. And now this is what it's on. You can tell that this will make it a lot cleaner when you play all three tracks. So noise gate off. You can hear the hi-hat kind of in the center now. Get on. And it's a little bit clearer. So doing this lesson really helped me with messing around with the gate and making my drum sounds sound a lot cleaner. I hope this was informative for you, and thanks a lot for watching.